So you just turn your car off, you get out, and you lock the door, you're walking away, and you might notice your brake lights are still on, or you come back to it and you notice they're on. Almost like there's a ghost holding your brake pedal down. And the most likely cause of this is going to be these rubber pieces that go in the brake pedal. So when you come back to the car after you notice the brake lights on, first thing I would check is just to see if there's any broken little plastic looking pieces in your floorboard, because that's probably what they are, because they broke out of your brake pedal. I'll show you guys a diagram of where they would be. So in this diagram here, the sensors aren't present, but they'd be in these slots right here. In the upper slot, you'd have your brake light sensor, and the grommet touches that one, and when you hit the pedal, it releases from it, and that's what turns on your brake lights. The bottom one here is for cruise control, so if your cruise control is on, you hit the brakes, that grommet disengages, and it turns off your cruise control. You can see the grommets with the larger side facing the sensors, and they go into this little metal bracket with the two holes in them that's attached to the metal part of the brake pedal. Just comes right off of it. So now the same as in the diagram I just showed you, you come under here and you can see the brake light sensor, the cruise control sensor, and then you can actually see back here where they poke through where the rubber pieces would be if they hadn't broken off. So there's like two holes like that. Push the brake pedal back, you can see those two holes where the pieces need to be. I got them both in there. You kind of have to press the pedal kind of hard to push it back, and then you do have to press them pretty hard to get it through there. But as you can see, once you have them in there, you release the pedal, it presses down on the sensors, and your brake lights should be off now. And the brake lights are off.